Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am gonna to tell you about Samsung Galaxy A04 4G. In this video I am gonna also tell you the retail price of Samsung Galaxy A04 4GB and upcoming price and also expected price of Samsung Galaxy A04 4GB and the official warranty given by the company, yes or no. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification of my video. So let's get start the video. Now here we have gonna tell you about the detailed specification of Samsung Galaxy A04 4GB. Here we have built-in function, built-in quantity of OS, Android 12 OS upgradable to Android 13. UI 1 UI Core 5.0 dimension 164.4 into 76.3 into 9.1 mm. Weight 192 grams. SIM dual stand by nano SIM. Color black, green, white, copper. Here we have in frequency 2G band SIM 1 GSM 850 by 900 by 1800 by 1900. SIM 2 GSM 850 by 900 by 1800 by 1900. 3G band HSD PA 850 by 900 by 1900 by 2100. 4G band LTE band 2100 1800 850 2600 900 800 2600 2300 2500. Here we have in processor CPU octa-core chipset MediaTek Helio P35 14 nanometer SoC. GPU Power VRG E8320. Display technology PLS LCD capacitive touchscreen 16 color multi-touch size 6.5 inches resolution 720 into 1600 pixel. Here we have in memory built-in 64GB built-in 4GB RAM card micro SD card support up to 1 terabyte. Here we have in camera main dual camera 15 megapixel plus 2 megapixel LED flash. Features geotagging, touch focus, face detection, panorama, HDR video, front 5 megapixel f by 2.2. Here we have in connectivity WLAN, Bluetooth, GPS, radio, FM radio, USB Type C 2.0, data GPRS H3G 4G. Here we have in feature accelerometer, proximity, audio 3.5 mm audio jack speakerphone, browser HTML, messaging, SMS, MMS, email, pushmail, IM, games, building plus downloadable, torch, yes, extra, glass front plus plastic back, plastic frame, photo by video editor, document viewer. Here we have in battery capacity, LiPo non-removable 5000 mAh, fast charging 7.8 watt. Here we have in price in rupees 42,999 PKR. This is Pakistani price, and in US dollar that will be 149.9 US dollar. So I hope you can like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.